Indian households at an aggregate level, it's a very interesting phenomenon that while SIP inflows, they have grown by almost 4 or 5x in the last 5 years.
2000 to 20, that's 7x in last 9 years or so.
9 years or so. At the same time, credit card pens have or credit card outstanding have also grown by 4 or 5x in the last 5 or 6 years. So this is a very interesting, some will say a Jugalbandi of liability and assets, some will say a dichotomy that why are you borrowing and investing at the same time. So I just wanted to pick your brain on it, that it is a very, very interesting user behavior, consumer behavior insight. How do you think about this?
No, so both should be looked at differently. There is one commonality between both of these, that what it shows is the confidence in the future. People are taking leverage because they are more confident about the future. People are investing for the long term because they are confident about the future. So there is optimism on both sides. That's how I would look at one commonality. The other way to look at it, if you look at the number of people who have taken the credit card or have taken the leverage, as percentage of population, that's still very small. If you look at the number of people who are doing the SIPs as percentage of population, that's very small. Like, I mean, our industry is about 5.5 crore investors, which is like hardly a very tiny proportion of the overall population. So both of them are still very low. India is at a very interesting juncture. You have a population which is digitally enabled, digitally empowered, digitally aware, and on the other side, hugely underpenetrated, hugely underserved on financial services. Now, this is a very, very interesting, I would say, intersection where your ability to serve investor has gone up many folds suddenly because of the digital public infrastructure. I give you our example. It took us 23 years to get to 6.5 million investors. In last 2 years,
65 lakh investors.
65 lakh investors. In last 2 years, we have added 65 lakh investors.